Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing? Yes, I'm here to react to a video that most of you have seen. The activities of Fulani herdsmen in our land is alarming, is shocking, and people don't understand the reason why Biafra government in Exile are doing what they're doing, making sure that our land is well protected because of this kind of thing. All right, and nobody, is speaking for those farmers. Nobody. And if you actually trying to challenge them, maybe as a man, you want to defend your wife, they will chop off your head as well. A lot of things are going on, to be honest with you. This video you are watching now happened in LL in River State, and the same LL whereby politicians, Wiki and the group are dragging one political post another, which I'm not here to discuss. But the cry of this woman is a very young woman, as you can see. Her cry is something that we need to pay attention to. She's still making some mistakes by calling governors and government to help her, knowing fully well that government are the one, protecting the Fulani herdsmen, sponsoring them, giving them what it takes to go to communities and ransack them and put them, in a bad condition that most communities have witnessed. Like what this woman is crying out for, many communities have done that. Many people have done that in different communities in Biafra land, not only in Biafra land, even in South, in Southwest. I mean. Okay, this is her cry, and it's very bad, and I want you to like the video. Please share it. So like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Let's hear from her. All right, I'll be right back.
This is me in River State, Elele. This morning, 22nd of August 2024, I'm in my farm. This farm, I farmed this place since February this year, and the cassavas. The cassava have already grown. I was targeting that by January I will harvest this cassava. But to my greatest surprise, when I came here this morning, before now, since that February, anytime I come here, Fulani people, they will carry their fowl and uproot everything I put in the farm. Both corn and cassava, they destroyed everything. Starting from that February, at a time it was as if they stopped. But just look around. Just look around. This is my farm. I came here this morning. To behold this. To behold what these people did to me. This is my farm. This is how they destroyed everything here. See? Just look at. Just see. Like, I don't know where to start from. I spent 400,000 naira here. 400 plus. Because I'm still doing work here. 400 plus. See? Oye nne mụrụ amụ dị ndụ eri nri, ọ na-eje n'ugbo. Ọ na-eje n'ugbo akọta ya na-eri eri. Onye na-eje n'ugbo. Akọta ya na-eri eri. So ya mere m ya. Eji m obere nwa n'aka. Obere nwa, every time I leave this my small baby to make sure that this farm is in order. Every time I make sure I'm here. See, this is what somebody did to me. This is what somebody did to me. Ukwu cassava ndị nkana. Just cassava, imagine otu ukwu cassava aha. Ota ka ebe a niile dey covered. That now but if I come here, the cassava will even cover me. But see, this is what they did to me. I can't even breathe well again. Oh God, I can't breathe well again. I cannot breathe well again. This is what these people did to me. This is what they did to me. Ha bupute ha worocha wee taa pụba. Agbutuo aghọrọta wee pụba. Agbutuo ya aghọrọ ya taa wee pụba. Elele Rivers State. Elele Rivers State. The government should do something. The government should do something. I said Agodi n'obodo, obodo Agodi. Agodi na Nigeria. Everybody's struggling. Everybody's struggling to. Everybody's struggling to feed.
Okay, let's hear another video from a Reverend Father. The same incident in his own community, the same Fulani husband and the activities. You know, this is not to tell you, this is not just to, you know, form a story against Fulani people, but the truth is that everybody has one story to another about the same group of people. And federal government and state government are muted because it is Fulani. Hear this one as well from Fulani, you know, from a Reverend Father, the same incident of Fulani people in his own community and what they have done to the villagers and farmers in the community. Let's watch this one as well.
Community ọkwa fara ka na-ebe akwa ebe ọ dịka enwe ihe na-eme ebe a n'enu nke a ha tacha na akpụ ndị mmadụ ihe a aka akọrịa bụ isie o tochana na ihe ha mere ji akpụ ndị mmadụ na ihe ha mere akpụ ndị mmadụ na ihe ha mere akpụ ndị mmadụ na ihe ha mere akpụ ndị mmadụ ana m ekwu ihe a na-ekwusi ike agụ na-agụ ndị mmadụ onwe onye na-ekwu okwu atacha afọ kọcha ihe ha destroy ya ebe na m akpụ ya before kwuo okwu ya before onwe ihe mere ya n'enyi ya Bosman bịa ka ijiri anya gị hụrụ come and see bịa hụrụ nọ so that unu awụ a witness to ihe m na-ekwu gbawanụ ndị obo ha bịa jiri anya ha hụrụ. This is the most wicked act upon the people, the most wicked act. What these people are doing, the Fulani herdsmen, and nobody is talking. The government, we are calling upon you. This is happening in Obo community. You see Alamba, no? Close to St. Joseph Parish, Obo. With bitter heart, I am saying this. I'm Reverend for a Christian Udabam, the parish priest. Look at the people lamenting in their farm. Look at the women lamenting in their farm. Look at the women lamenting in their farm. Is this fair? Is this fair? I am totally bitter. God forbid. This is wickedness. 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 God forbid. God forbid. I am saying this with bitter heart. I am taking it up. God forbid.
So guys, I watched this video about this activity of Fulani herdsmen in our land. This is not just a news, okay, that you say, it's a new thing that we have not, I don't know that this kind of thing is happening in our land. It is happening every day. Do you understand? And some group of people say that they have a group, they have ESN somewhere that is making sure that Fulani is this and that. No, they don't have anything. And this is a proof to that. In Rivers State, this one happened. The father that you heard his voice happened in the southeast as well. The same place, the same region, the same people, Igbo land. And when PM, Biafra government in Exile, says this is what they are going to do, some people will say, no, you are trying to instigate problem, bring his head to kill, do this and do that, as if they are not aware of what is playing out in our land. You know, the same people that claim that they are the one giving you protection, doing everything for you simply because they have ESN, that they're nothing like Veteran Liberation Army. In fact, they are not even an Igbo people. All this nonsense they're saying is just for you to give them money, for them to, you know, keep on making money from you. Biafra Republic government in Exile is the only one to save. They are the only one to save you. I mean, not saving you like a Christ, I mean, to fight this physical battle that is holding everybody down. Because it is happening in another village today, and you think your village is free. It's a matter of time. Once they're done with this village, they will still come to your own village. So do everything that you can to support Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran government in exile for your own protection, for your own safety. The government cannot do it for you. No person will do it for you. Not even the so-called ESN structure, regional Nigerian regional government defender. They are not going to do it for you. I saw some posts. Some of them are posting saying that in the Igbo land, people are now harvesting a lot of crops, cash crops, and all that, which is good. But they claim that they won pushing our people to go and farm and do it, which is a lie. Do you understand? Because if not the activity of the federal government in Exile today, how many of you remember the cry of farmers in Southeast? All of a sudden, the cry is reducing, but that does not mean that everything has been solved. But the work of the Biafran Liberation Army and Biafran government in exile have minimized the atrocities of these Fulani herdsmen in our land. How? By making sure they're engaging people that actually supervising the activities, facilitating their movement, which that security agents are the one doing that, isn't it? Because they gave them way, they do everything. Remember what happened in Hamuf, where Fulani people went there, okay, to buy people, and after buying people, then the villagers come back and trying to engage Fulani people. Fulani overwhelm them. Then when the federal government go there to rescue and to save them, army now went there to attack. And it's all about what happened to Fulani. Once anything has happened to them, when I say Fulani, I'm talking about these headsmen, not the good people. Because if I believe that every nation have good people in them. Okay, right? And I'm not saying that all Fulanis are bad, but when the bad ones outnumber the good ones, you have no choice than to call it what it is. Like sometimes you hear me talking about the Yoruba people. I'm talking about those Afonjas, those ones that are head-bent in committing crimes, which most of all have seen, what they're doing online, calling people names, Igbo people, Igbo this, Igbo that, and all that. So I'm not here to talk about it, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So please, guys, share this video and make sure that you support the government in exile. Do the needful. The coming sit at home, 1 month sit at home, is loading, and make sure you obey it very, very well. Remember, it's 28th of this month. You're going to start this 28th of this month. Maybe I will do a video about it, but it's not a promise, but I may reconsider on that. See you again and have a wonderful day. Please subscribe and like the video. Share it to many groups of your choice, and subscribe, like the video. See you again, and bye bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.